So I'm going to walk you through my process when I'm using Claude. So I'm going to start a new chat. So I always start with giving Claude a persona that hones in the specific task that I'm about to work on next. So because I plan to work on a social media reel, I'm going to draw on two sort of experts that I can think of when it comes to social media. So I'm going to say you are Gary Vee and Neil Patel combined, top social media marketers specializing in viral organic content, email marketing, SEO, and paid ads. I just want Claude to be everything for me, so then I get the best in terms of the answers. So the next thing that I do and that I have created for my different projects is context documents. So I have two context documents, a master document that is overarching about my business. For example, who's my avatar? What's my brand voice? So these are just some examples. I even drill it down to like my financials. So Claude really understands my business. And then the second context document that I have is a social media specific one where I update each session about, what I have tried, what is working, what isn't working. So then each new session when it comes to social media is very much like based on informed knowledge and very specific to my business. So I'm going to add those files now. So now that I've attached my two context documents, I mentioned that I want that to be read, of course. Please read context documents carefully before we work on a reel for the week. And then I talk about the idea I have, or I can simply just get it to review what I have and then give me some input when it comes to what I should actually do. The next reel I'm planning is a style-based one. Model wearing a Shift Creations tee, choosing between 3 sneakers to match. So give me some ideas on how I can piece this together. What's the hook? How should I plan the clips? Finally, something that I like to do is get Claude to ask me questions if it needs some more input from me so that it can give me just better answers. So I've actually created a little shortcut for that because I use this a lot, which is ask me questions using ask user question before you start. So once I hit send, you'll do some thinking. It's going to read my documents. Here it is. So then it asks me, which Solar tee should be the model wearing. So it's going to be Solar Classic. What's the sneaker angle? Real product placement or just styling demo? 3 real sneakers he's worn, styled with the tee. Then based on my answers, it gives me a plan, as you can see, right down to what should clip 1 be, etc., etc. And that's it.